Below, you will find information on what to consider when taking measurements for wall-mounted installation. The pleated blind sits directly in front of the window recess and is mounted using wall brackets. For wall mounting, first measure the width of the window recess and add the desired overlap of the pleated blind on both sides. We recommend an overlap of at least 5 centimeters on each side. To determine the order height of the pleated blind, measure the height of the window recess. That is the distance between the windowsill and the top of the window recess. Then add the desired overlap at the top. This should be at least twice the height of the pleated blind rail. That is 32 millimeters for the standard profile, or 42 millimeters for the plus profile. The wall brackets themselves are 38 millimeters high. You should also take this into account when determining the required overlap. Ideally, use the package height specified for your pleated blind during the measurement process in the configurator as a guide. It is important that the fabric package does not interfere when opening the window. Finally, enter the measurements you have determined into the configurator. In most cases, measurements must be entered in millimeters. We hope these measurement instructions have been helpful and look forward to receiving your order.